A new report has been leaked that Google is indeed working to replace Samsung with TSMC for Tensor G5 development. The information details how the plan was originally to unveil its first fully customized chip for Pixel phones in 2024, but it missed the trial production deadline last year after already cutting features. So now it seems it will not be ready for mass production by 2024. So the target is now 2025, likely to be rebranded as Tensor G5. It will be based on TSMC's 3 nanometer manufacturing process and integrated fan out for reducing thickness and improving power efficiency. Google is sticking with Samsung for next year's Tensor chip and design and manufacturing, but has been replacing more and more Samsung components, everything from communications and audio to imaging and graphics processing with its own IP every generation. Multiple Tensor chips have been cancelled over the past 2 years that comes with the Tensor powered Pixel books. So Google delay in forming fully custom tensors to market particularly stems from challenges divide between coordinating work between US and India, where majority of the tensor silicon engineers are based. If they can get it, they can overcome the tensor's biggest weakness, which is based on the Exynos chip. So the battery life is poorer, the performance is poorer than the comparative flagship chipsets.